Screen Cleaner Spray, 17-ounce screen cleaning kit for iPhone, iPad, TV, monitor, laptop, computer, MacBook. Kulloomii 500 milliliters large bottle electronic cleaner with microfiber cloth and brush. Quick dry streak free. Kulloomii screen cleaner quickly remove dust, fingerprints, oil, stains, and make the screen look new. Professional quick dry and streak-free formula, more convenient to use. Let clean screen bring you joy mood. Cleaning cloth keyboard brush. Screen cleaner kit come with 12-inch by 12-inch super soft microfiber cleaning cloth, will not scratch the screen. The special texture is used with screen cleaner to get the double cleaning power. Also come with a keyboard brush to make cleaning more thoroughly. Suitable for any screen. Ammonia-free alcohol-free screen cleaner, you can rest assured to apply it on any screen, such as computer monitors, smartphones, tablets, laptops, TV, e-readers, eyeglasses, OLED, LCD, LED screens, and so on. 17-ounce large capacity. Unscented, pigment-free, screen cleaner, make every touch more reassuring. Easy to use. Spraying screen cleaner on cloth, then wipe the screen to clean. Turn the nozzle on to top.